Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, well, went to Harbor Freight yesterday, got some stuff, so figured I'd show you what I got. So stay tuned. So first things first, this was the old pressure relief valve for my air compressor right there. Didn't work anymore, so bought a new one off Amazon. And there we go. That's the model number in case anyone needed to know. So it's not the same size, but this is the part number that I got off of Campbell Housefeld's website. So there we go. So next thing, got this air compressor regulator with gauge. Gauge is up top, so what I will do is have this mounted pretty much right there. That way that'll show the pressure going to the tool. That one cost, I think it was like $5. Then I got this air fitting right there, female coupler. And I also got this Merlin 3/8 by 25 foot air hose. This one was $12, so very happy with that. So one thing that I am missing, the one thing that I am missing is the connection going from the regulator to that piece right there. That's the only thing I forgot. Silly me, I should have realized that this did not have that on there, so I will have to go back to Harbor Freight and get that fitting. That doesn't mean I can't finish setting everything else up, so here we go. So, trying to find the best camera angle for you guys, but I'm going to be using a 9/16 wrench to put the new pressure relief valve on there. So, I'll just show you. It goes right there. Really can't see, but goes right in that hole right there. So let me set you back up. You guys might not be able to 100% see everything I'm doing, but I'm trying here. So it does have the tape on there, so it should seal everything up. One crappy thing, that's in a really bad location. I mean, I could always just undo that nut right there, and this whole thing should be able to just lift off, but no one has time for that. Seems to be working. Almost there. I might have to tighten that up now because it started to turn. Let's see. 3/4. Nope. 11/16. I get it wrong first. Yeah, it is 3/4. Okay, there we go with that. So that is all done. Pressure relief valves all set. So now let's try and do whatever else I can do. Okay, so next thing that I almost completely forgot about was this little guy. Now I don't have the tape on there, so I'm just putting it in loosely because I'm not starting this up yet. But so that's gonna go just like that. And then, once again, don't have the tape, so this is just going to go on just like that. I actually might have to rotate this because I don't think there's enough clearance. There we go. And then, as you can see, then there's a fitting right there. This would go just like that. Now you can adjust the pressure, lower the pressure, and be done. So I'm hoping to get that stuff maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.